Take control of your online identity. Stop Instagram and Facebook from syncing your profile picture with a few taps. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to stop syncing Instagram and Facebook profile picture. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Open the Instagram app on your screen. Log into your account if you haven't already. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. In your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select the account center from the menu. This is where your Facebook and Instagram accounts are linked. You will see your linked Instagram and Facebook account. Select your Facebook or Instagram profile in the profile section. Look for the option Sync Profile Picture. Toggle the switch bar to turn off the sync feature for your profile picture. Confirm your choice by clicking on the Stop Syncing. Now your Instagram and Facebook profile will no longer update automatically when you change one. So this is how to stop syncing Instagram and Facebook profile picture. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.